Hello, I'm going to talk about in the report. It is the report station of the creation checklist, resume inventory and servers order investigation in the implements in the Mazatlan Naval Hospital in the new document. The method index is confirmed for introduction, object, methodology or proposal for implements, resulting, conclusion, important citations, and a query letter made sense. Introduction. The history they were carried of the Mazatlan Naval Hospital were for the purpose of point in the party. The college that was acquired over time. Take as a reference the curriculum already established in the carpet, the main center of the world. That was the introduction to hospital administrative and inventory control for medical equipment, so that this could be done effectively. Different documents were taken out, were about for problem solver, were made in a play looking and creativity for the resolution of the descent also the main rules that the biomedical engineer must cook and must be carried out in the hospital until were taken in a mandatory manner. Objection. General. It is essential that both of was the have later, but the week the training will be able to create important documents. There who will help the to bury the work in the future. They will be able to record at the information the solved in a proper will. In a specific, preparatory of documents to a checklist, list suite, etc. Within the future will server and verification. Of usually manual in order to cover who the equipment works. Application are set on technology vigilance. Methodology of propose the implement. The method to be used for the realizing or practice in is to use Google Meet for meeting and to perform the corresponding activity. Also the use of email to save your field or document. The purpose is the result Foremost, use the inventory which can be shared with all students and can perform. There is activity with any inconvenience, usually like link or Excel or Word, which will be used to perform the inventory and the implemented checklist with is man because on result of the interesting and with the help of the adversary with the institution. We're also exposed to apply the medical officing station to sell the minimum equipment in the hospital's plans, with will the really virtually and to making a generation reverse of what is means what need to be imported in the different hospital or the company with no 01 seats in the specific results. The result were example to organization check was correctly complete with the interest had the ability to perform. This day of documentation which is for great important with the institution as it helped the two kids accounting in front of who the manager of the biomedical department performed their work as well as it is a book to create and the of situation with the need for major problem and its of activities. The first one is a document the checklist and resumes. This is a document. The second is a inventory document in the equipment. The finally is the server's order of the equipment. Conclusion. In this you can acquire a query to vary an inventory and delivery server orders that can be performed to a team as well as check and of course later what is a techno server's vigilance will add the value of having a proper set of order of inventory of equipment who to take into a condition what are you the tenants that have who's commanding in the hospital as it is not very common but if you have a prepo older can generation a format where they can be all of this can have writing control when they will see the manual these plans. Environment with the naval zone as well as Literati Ippolito and Mir Eric for setting use the able to take or internation to in the naval hospital and to be able to all time handle useful call. I will ask the laboratory of important document that we can use it in the new not too distant future to be able to practice or carry his biomedical engineer in a more question a place way.